This week on Takeout Tuesday, we have takeout from the legendary Donut Pub. Located in the heart of New York City on 14th Street and 7th Avenue, this place is full of sweet treats that we're about to enjoy. So come along. If you could smell through the screen right now, oh my goodness. You know you get a lot from a donut spot if you have like multiple bags. You're walking out of there like you went grocery shopping at the donut place. Guilty. Ooh. Maple bacon croissant donut from Donut Pub. Check out all that bacon coverage. I mean, they sufficiently covered. Okay, taking a bite now. That is amazing. That is even better than what I imagined it to be. It's so good. The texture of it is really quite like a croissant, and so it's nice and soft, but it's still supple, the way a yeast donut is. And then you have the bacon. It's perfectly salty. The maple glaze is not overwhelming. It's just enough. It's not too heavy. It's not overly sweet. And all of the flavors just complement each other so nicely. Honestly, I could take out a fork and knife and eat this for breakfast. Wow. Do yourself a favor. This one is worth it. Wow. Guys, yes. Yes. For our next donut, I have a chocolate glazed cake donut. Now, this one is my favorite. Shout out to my dad and to my grandpa George, because this is like, yes, like chocolate glazed donut is an essential donut. If you do a chocolate glazed donut right, then you're doing donuts right. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Oh. Seriously, get serious.
Yes.
This is exactly what it needs to be. It's delicate, but still tender. Dense like a cake, but still light. And the glaze is perfect. It's not overdone. Let me take another bite. I think they did a really good job with a classic donut, chocolate glazed. Another thumbs up. All right, I have more. Guys, I don't know if you noticed, but something really big has happened since the last donut. Trying, is this even, I mean, like, this is massive. Okay, so this is technically not a donut, it's an apple fritter, but you know, sometimes when you're at a place and you see something looking at you through the glass and it's saying, buy me, taste me, take me home. That's what this apple fritter was saying to me today, so obviously I had to buy it. Plus,
it's massive.
do you guys see what I see? I mean, wow. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be broke. Guys, this apple fritter right now is so unbelievably good. And I don't know if you could see inside there, but just take a look. Inside, there's delicious like apple filling. It's like a little apple pie inside an apple fritter. And it's just, I mean, it's just perfectly uniformly constructed. It's really actually an art what they've done here in terms of pastry. You know, I have to take another bite because I got to get some of that filling. So you just maneuver, see what the best bite technique is here. Okay, that is not canned apple pie filling. That is somebody's grandma is in the back of the house peeling some apples, coring them, cutting them up, adding some fresh cinnamon, and making this filling for the apple fritters because it is just so good. And you can just see the delicious layers of cinnamon all spun up in there. To the Donut Pub, whoever is making your apple fritters, well done. I am impressed. This is a technique that I want to learn because these apple fritters are amazing. So last but not least, okay, just to be quite honest, all cards on the table here, this is not a donut. However, I heard that this was one of the best ones in New York City, and so obviously I had to buy one. The iconic black and white New York cookie. It's one of the massive ones. How do you like that? About the size of the apple fritter. The way that I eat a black and white cookie is I try to take a bite of both. I don't know if that's the proper technique, but I'm not exactly proper. So here we go. Okay, so here's my take on the black and white cookie. They're called the Donut Pub. So obviously they specialize in donuts. But if you are at the Donut Pub, I definitely recommend getting a black and white cookie too. Because for one, when you see a black and white cookie, you don't ask, should I get it? You just get it because it's essential. And if you came to New York City and you never tried one of these, you have to come back and try one because, yeah, it's just New York's cookie. So, all right. So I love this little moon shape there. All right. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video about my little adventure to the Donut Pub. Let's bring out all the rest of the donuts. I'm not even gonna have room on this little tiny plate. Did more of this go missing? This was a real treat feast, to put it simply. I mean, of all different types of donuts and cookies and sweets, but I think it's really cool because it just really shows, one, the creativity of this place, two, that it's such an iconic and chill place, and three, they make really good products, so you can't beat that. And for New York City, like, the price of these donuts is actually pretty on point for other donut shops in the city and also in the Lynn. So yeah, just so you know, if you're not from New York and you're like, what the heck, $3.75? Yeah, that's how much donuts cost here. That's why we don't eat them that much. No, but in all seriousness, such a treat. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for checking out this video about my trip to the Donut Pub, my little takeout adventure. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you're staying safe, washing your hands, being smart, staying inside, and be strong because we're going to get through this together and we're going to have some fun in the meantime. So, and afterwards, of course, yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Till the next video, stay safe and I'll see you next time. Bye. That was even better than what I was expecting it to be. Seriously? And it's weighty too.